understand this one might not quite be a classic yet, but if you've watched our videos previously, you know we take trade-ins, and that's what we have here. This one's a 2015 Toyota Prius V, 4-door hatch, 2-owner car, clean Carfax, actual miles, a little over 160 on this one. Underneath the hood, 1.8 liter, 4-cylinder hybrid, of course. Constant velocity transmission, automatic paired up with that. Take a look at the front fascia. This is nicely equipped. Heated seats, leather interior, power windows, power locks, cruise, all the modern amenities that you're going to get. Got a medium gray metallic paint, two-tone gray interior, leather, very nice interior. There's a few spots where you can see in the hood where there's been a little touch-up from pebble chips or stone chips here or there. Well-maintained vehicle, so it's one of those. If you're looking for later model vehicle, doesn't break the bank, reliable transportation, and well-maintained, here you go. Check out the still pics. We have it pictured just like any of our vehicles. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Goodyear Assurance Radials. Like I said earlier, hey, don't criticize me too bad down in the comments on YouTube. We understand this one's not quite a classic yet, but we take trade-ins, so here you go. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior, take a little peek underneath the hood, just like we do in our classic videos too, or sports cars or what have you. So, and like I said earlier, remember we do take trade-ins. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can see there's not a ton of corrosion around the wheel wells, lower rockers. Yes, there's a ding here or there. Might be a blemish in the paint. Touch up. But again, if you're looking for reliable transportation without breaking the bank, here you go. And once again, all those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like looking at all different kinds of cars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I always say you never know what we may get in here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. Probably didn't expect to see a Prius hybrid on our website or a video. All right, driver's side, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. And again, not full of, corrosion around those wheel wells. Take a look at the interior. These cars are pretty roomy inside also. Rear seats like new. Again, a two-tone kind of light gray, medium gray leather. Of course, your modern amenities, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power driver's seat over here in the driver's side. Bolster. Seats in excellent condition. Steering wheel controls. There's your exact miles, 163.15. This isn't exactly like most of the cars I fire up around here. Those you'll hear right off the get-go. But I want to light everything up for you so you can see. There's no check engine, service indicators, anything like that. I'm just saying the doors are open, seatbelt indicator, radio working. Of course, climate control, heated seat buttons down below. They're fired up. I will show you underneath the hood also. Very, very clean. You want to hear what it sounds like running. Pretty quiet. Definitely not a 396 big block, right? All right, let me pause this a second. I'll get this hood propped up. Jason will take this thing for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride. If you're interested in one of these, definitely check it out. All right, here we'll get a look underneath the hood. So hood liner nice and clean. Very clean, tidy engine bay. Does have AC blows cold. Don't believe I mentioned that earlier. There's a good look at it. Like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason will take this for a drive. 2015 Prius Hybrid V, 4-door hatch, clean Carfax, 2-owner vehicle. Carfax actually states well maintained because you can see the service history on there. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Suspend your disbelief for just a moment while I tell you we're driving a 2015 Toyota Prius today. It is in very nice condition. It's the first time for everything. I haven't been in a Prius before, even as a passenger, and I'm driving one today. It's quiet, believe it or not. Digital dash showing me our speed. We've got the gear shift indicator up there. Fuel gauge. Fuel tank shows full. Accelerates as you would expect. Not bad. Very comfortable car. I would suspect simulated leather on the seats. Bucket seats, and they are comfortable. Folding lid on the storage compartment. Cup holders. Everything you'd be looking for. Handles well on the road. Excellent commuter. Of course, you're going to get some great savings in fuel costs with this car. Stereo sounds good.
Increased sales, traffic, or services. We're dedicated to having AEs.
Though that was just talk, I'll let you know the music sounds good as well. Corners well. It is a CVT transmission, so there is no kickdown when you put your foot down, but it does accelerate well. And as I'm saying, quietly, smoothly, plenty of headroom and room in the back seat for passengers. Take a look at all the pictures of this Toyota at uniqueclassiccars.com.